You keep eating like a regular person, you fix your sleep cycles, and almost miraculously, you just start finally burning away your belly fat when nothing else ever worked. Which brings us to now, and brings us to you experiencing the incredible results of Eat, Sleep, Burn for yourself too. Here we are, ready for you to finally get the flat belly and slim body you've been dreaming of, and which you deserve, without ever feeling like you're dieting, because you aren't. In Eat, Sleep, Burn, you'll discover the simple secret to triggering permanent weight loss while you double your energy and set yourself up for a long and healthy life. When you enroll in the program, I'll give you immediate access to Dan's secret Sleep Slim tea recipe. You'll learn the exact ratio of spices, tea, and other ingredients designed to ease you into a deep, restorative, fat-burning sleep. And you know what? Honestly, just giving you the tea recipe would probably be enough to change your life forever. I mean, if you can't even make yourself drink a cup of tea every evening, I don't think anybody could help you lose weight. But because we've made it our mission to share our life-changing results with as many people as we can, and we want to over-deliver for you, we're going to give you a lot more than that. In the Eat, Sleep, Burn system, you'll learn the precise shutdown sequence required to guarantee the exact form of potent sleep that will naturally melt away all your excess body fat, the 3 key sleep switches that make it easy to reclaim your energy and vitality, how to reset your circadian rhythm so that your body intuitively knows the most healthy time to drift off to sleep and to wake you without an alarm or any morning grogginess, how to control a powerful neurotransmitter in your brain that instantly lets you shut out anxious thoughts and power down your spinning brain, which means as soon as tonight, you can enjoy a deep, relaxing, and restoring sleep while your body goes to work burning ugly belly fat. While deep in your cells, you immediately start laying the foundation that will help prevent the potential for disease that lurks in your body. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. I barely have time to tell you about the Bat Cave method to virtually guarantee you fall easily into a deep and restorative sleep, the 2 rules you must never break if you take a nap, I mean never, one simple trick you can use to double the amount of fat-burning deep sleep you get every single night, how to reduce cancer-causing inflammation throughout your body without dangerous and expensive drugs, and much, much more. Okay, can you feel that? Your heart beating, the dryness in your mouth, that incredible desire to know this, to be able to do this, to never again feel tired all the time, to laugh at the idea of cravings because they just aren't a thing anymore, to have control over your body and your health in a way you never have before. Let me ask you, how much is it worth to you to never have to feel fat again for the rest of your life? How much is it worth to you to have your friends jealous of the amazing changes you've made to your body, begging you for your secrets? How much is it worth to wake up every morning feeling rested and sail through the day supercharged with energy to spare? How much is it worth to never feel like you have to deprive yourself or diet again? Imagine that for a second. Really let yourself feel what that would be like. And then tell me, what do you think would be a fair price to completely flatten your belly and gain absolute control over your weight in just a few short weeks and with less effort than it takes you to drive to the grocery store? What is it worth to wake up rested without an alarm every morning and motor through your day with the childlike energy and joy? If you're being completely honest with yourself, I'd bet you'd say $197 or more would be totally fair to feel happy and smile so wide it makes your cheeks hurt every time you look in the mirror or run a hand along your belly because it's so flat and strong and tight. And considering the fact that folks routinely pay $900 just to spend a single day with Dan to learn this exact same stuff, and his elite clients are happily giving him $1,500 a month just as a retainer for his coaching, when you look at it that way, it seems pretty cheap, doesn't it? And yet I know that as a woman, a mom, and a police officer, it's been ingrained in me to give to others. And I understand that sometimes you just can't bring yourself to be selfish and give yourself what you need, even though you want something so much and know it's a once-in-a-lifetime deal, which is why I'm going to do something kind of risky here. Not a risk to you, but a big risk to me. Remember, we set off on this journey because we felt called. We felt the desire and need to get this into the hands of as many people as possible because we lived through the pain and we rejoice every day that we found the cure. And if I have to take a hit to my wallet to help you, well, that's a price I'm extremely happy to pay. So here's what I'm going to do. We've already agreed that Eat, Sleep, Burn is worth at least $197. But because you've watched this video and given me some of your precious time, I'm not going to ask you to invest $197. I'm not even going to ask you to pay $97, even though I know you'll all agree that would be a steal. No, for you, and for now, I'm going to do something a little bit crazy. For as long as this video is up, and not a moment longer, I'm going to set your price for Eat, Sleep, Burn at just one single payment of $77. And if you act right now, I'll take money out of my own pocket and give you a whopping 60% off. Just don't share this, okay? Because Todd and Dan don't know I'm doing this. Which means if you simply click the button below this video right now, you'll get the complete Eat, Sleep, Burn system, including the recipe to make Sleep Slim tea for the severely discounted price of just $37. The immediate action discount. That's the good news.